Hi everyone, Brian, your honest mechanic here. Today we're looking into a crucial topic for car owners. Bad motor, also known as engine mount symptoms and replacement costs. As your trusted mechanic friend, I want to make sure you can identify issues early and avoid expensive repairs down the line. So grab a seat and let's get started. First of all, what are motor mounts? They are the often overlooked components that secure your engine in place and absorb vibrations. Without them, driving would feel like riding a bucking bronco. Over time though, these rubber and metal components can wear out. So what are the telltale signs to watch for? 1. Excessive vibration. One of the most common symptoms of failing mounts is a whole lot of shaking going on, especially at idle or lower speeds. You might feel like the steering wheel, foot pedals, and even your seat are vibrating excessively. It can feel like the entire car is trembling, almost like it's nervous. 2. Impact noises. Hearing clunking, banging, or rattling from the engine bay. These impact sounds often happen when you start the car, put it in gear, or come to a stop. It's the sound of the engine shifting and knocking against other components because the mounts aren't doing their job. 3. Engine movement. In severe cases, you might even see the engine physically moving or sagging, especially during acceleration or when shifting gears. You might see or feel the engine lurch forward or to the side. That's a giant red flag that your mounts are in serious trouble. 4. Rough riding. Failed engine mounts can make your once smooth ride feel more like off-roading. You'll especially notice jolts, thuds, or a general roughness when shifting gears or driving over bumps. Your car might even feel like it's trying to nosedive during hard braking. 5. Visible damage. If you pop the hood, look underneath the vehicle and spot cracks, tears, leaks, or corrosion on the mounts, you've found the issue. Rubber mounts can crack and deteriorate over time, while hydraulic mounts might leak fluid. Metal mounts can break or come loose. Any visible damage is a clear indicator. So what causes mount failure? Age is a big factor. That rubber can only last so long. Heat, cold, and the constant movement all contribute to wear. Oil and other fluid leaks can also degrade rubber mounts. And let's not forget accidents or aggressive driving that puts extra strain on those mounts. Now I know you're wondering, how much is this going to set me back? Replacement costs depend on your specific vehicle make and model, but on average expect to shell out anywhere from $50 to $200 per mount. Labor can tack on another $100 to $450. For an older car, that repair bill might hurt more than the engine vibration. If you're mechanically inclined, replacing the mounts yourself could save you some cash. But fair warning, it's not usually a beginner DIY. You'll need to properly support the engine and have the right tools handy. When in doubt, leave it to the pros. The most important thing is not to ignore those warning signs. Soldering on with shot mounts can cause some serious damage like broken belts, cracked radiators, even harm to the engine and transmission. No bueno. To wrap it up, keep an eye and ear out for those bad mount symptoms. The sooner you can nip the problem in the bud, the better for your car and your wallet. Regular inspections by a trusted mechanic are always a good idea too. And if you found this helpful, give that like button a click and consider subscribing for more straight talk on all things auto. I'm Brian, your honest mechanic, and until next time.